Your pasty YouTuber is back! Today, I'm bringing you another hair dyeing video because I haven't done one since I dyed my hair pink. What, 3 weeks ago? 4 maybe. I dyed my ends pink using red dye and blue semi-permanent dye. I didn't do anything to it since then except let it fade out, and somehow, by the magical mysterious ways of chemistry and physics, or somehow, my hair is now kind of a silvery beige pearl color. I really like this color. I actually really like this color. I'm liking how the roots is blending with it. I'm liking how it's not brassy. I'm liking how it's got a bit of like pink undertones, but today I'm gonna dye it. Why? Because I gotta keep up the Stella legacy. Okay. Yesterday I was on Instagram and I kind of showed everyone how my hair faded out, and one lovely lady told me, hey Stella, dye it lilac. So I'm dyeing it lilac or lavender, I can't remember. I'm dyeing my hair lavender today, and we're gonna try dye our ends lavender. If you have hair that is darker than this, you're going to have to bleach it. No, you can't dye your hair lavender if your hair is black or brown or red or anything other than almost freaking white or beige or blonde. To get my hair lavender, I'm going to be using 4 different dyes and white conditioner. You can actually buy lavender straight up lavender, but I didn't plan for this, so I didn't have lavender. I have, however, a bunch of different purples, blues, pinks, whatever, that we're going to mix together. The main component is probably going to be this color right here, Velvet. It's by PULPRIOT, I don't know. It's very vibrant, so although this is going to be the main component, it's going to be very small in amount. I'm going to mix in either a bit of Nightfall, which is a deep blue, or else just simple blue from IROIRO colors. This is just a bit lighter and more on the blue tone than Nightfall. Finally, I'm going to mix in a considerable amount of blush into it. This is just a baby pink. And finally, we're diluting it all with a white conditioner. Literally just going to be used as a mixing / diluting agent. It's not going to take part in the dyeing process itself, so conditioner doesn't dye the hair. This is simply just to dilute the color. Okay, let's start. I'm actually going to be starting with my white conditioner just to have a good base for my dyes, so that I'll know kind of what I'm working with from the start. Velvet, a bit of Nightfall, and quite a bit of blush. So this is our dye concoction. It looks darker here than what we're expecting, but because it's diluted with so much conditioner, it's not going to be too opaque. I'm not going to be really applying it to my roots because I like my roots, and also I know that they're not going to take. So mainly just on this bit. Imagine it comes out denim. What if it comes out silver? Yeah, freak it, we're putting it all over. Okay, so this is the fully dyed hair. I'm gonna leave it for 45 minutes and then wash it and then style it. I can already see that it's not going to come lavender at all. It's going to come denim or silver. It's gonna come a proper silver. Anyways, okay, we're gonna leave it 45 minutes, watch it, and then I'll be back when it's done. Hi, this is my new hair color. So this is my hair color. I love it. I love it so freaking much. You have no idea how much I am in love with this look. I love even the curls in it. I love everything. The entire style of the look is just so sassy and a bit fresh for me. So I'm kind of glad that I did it. Now let's get on with the actual bit of the video that I wanted to get to. Midway through the dyeing process, I started realizing that the purple in the dye was not picking up or not showing through at all in the dye, and all that was showing was kind of a denim-y blue color, which I then later realized that would probably give me not a lilac vibe, but kind of more of a gunmetal gray. For some reason on the camera it is picking up so much more lavender and lighter than it is in real life. In real life it's actually a proper kind of a dark gray, like proper gray color. I don't mind it. I actually really like it. Everything that I used for a gray color result is going to be down in the description box below. I'll probably film another video on how to get lilac hair soon. But anyways, this is my video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.